Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Now we need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Then select those three lines at the bottom right corner over here, tap on Settings and click on I accept. Finally, you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to and click on the top right corner. Then bottom one again, and from here set as live wallpaper. Lastly, just set wallpaper, pick one of those options. I will go with home screen only and go back. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!